Hey guys, welcome back to my dryer vent. Today's video is going to be if this self DIY dryer vent cleaning kit is worth a damn. Let me show you what I bought. This is the dryer vent cleaning system I picked up at Lowe's, and I picked up some extension pieces because I got a pretty high ceiling. So this should give me 24 feet out to the stack out on the top of the roof. Now, it says this thing really does handle what I just showed you in the beginning clip, so I'm going to see if it works. Let's get this crap out of the box, see what you get. First inspection, looks like someone's already gotten into mine and opened it up. I think this was a customer return, but you get an extra set of wands, which is what I purchased in addition to, I believe these are the brush heads that actually do the dirty work right here. So you got a little, looks like about a 3 5/8 inch around brush for getting into a 4-inch vent, and could even be a 4-inch brush. This one here is the little bottle brush looking thing. So I'm really not trying to make this a fancy production video, as you can see, because I really just want to see if this stuff works or not. You guys are trying to figure it out too, make a decision. So let me get this kind of put together and I'll show you the general gist, and then you and I can determine together if this thing works. All right, this actually couldn't be simpler, and I actually do like this design. The brush heads screws into the male side of one of these little extension arms, and then they give you a nice little Allen key. You can see there it's a set screw that actually locks this into the threaded area, so this thing doesn't get lodged 10 feet up in your dryer vent, and then you got to have someone come out and knock it out. So that's a nice little feature. So here's the female side of the brush. You can see what I'm talking about right there, and the set screw would go into the side there. You can see there it comes with 2 set screws. That's what's in this little baggie here, so don't lose that. So let's get over to the dryer vent. So here's how we're going to start off. I got 2 sections of this stuff, and I got Diesel, who's very mad at the brush head because when you turn a drill on, it does one of these. So what do you think, Deez? All right, let's get this thing in the dryer vent. I got a bunch of crap in here, so I'm going to pull. I mean, this is terrible. I'm surprised the house didn't catch on fire with all this crap. Kind of pull out some of it, but let's run this up in here and just hit the drill. Oh, hold on. All right, I just pulled this out of here. First shot. Nasty. I'm going up just about that far. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh god, it's gross. All right. Whew, that's nasty. All right, let's go all the way up. Oh yeah, it's oh my god. Seeing this? Turn them all the way in. All the way in. Oh man. Oh god, that's gross. All right, let's get some more extensions on here. And there's a lot more on the wall I gotta vacuum out. Oh God, that's bad. All right, let's see if we did here. Damn, pretty good. I'd say this thing actually works pretty good. Let me run it a couple more times in there. I'm gonna show you just how much crap was in this dryer vent so you guys can pick one of these up. I'm gonna start off with an empty shop vac and just do some vacuuming footage. I'm gonna turn the sound down so you guys don't have to hear it, and then I want to show you how much comes out of this thing just so you can see how much of a fire hazard this kind of crap is. Alright, are you ready for this? All I did was just undo the snaps. Oh my God. That's crazy. Holy crap. That's the entire shop vac full in that one 4-inch pipe. The entire vac. That is scary. This is all, and you know what's weird about it too? It reeks like mildew. I've actually been wearing this P100 mask because it just stinks and it's moist. It's like wet. So I mean, not only is this a fire hazard, it kills the efficiency of the dryer, and we've had to turn our dryer on 3 or 4 cycles just to see just to get the clothes dry. So I knew something was up. So this right here is 10 years of never cleaning the vent. So shame on me. Hopefully this is a lesson for you guys out there. If you're considering purchasing a new dryer, I would highly recommend picking up one of these DIY kits. Was it $30? $30 to save your house. I mean, that's cheap insurance right there. And you do it yourself. You don't have to call anybody to come in the house to do it. And look at all that. It's just terrible. And you could see I showed you the pipe after, all the way up. I ran the reamer all the way up until I hit the little flap door on the roof vent. So that goes up probably almost 20 feet, maybe 19 feet. So anyways, guys, if this helped you, remember to rate, comment, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100,000. I really do appreciate it if you do subscribe. I promise you'll learn something throughout the year, or you'll see some crazy crap like this. So anyways, guys, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll get you in the next video. Later. Final thoughts on this thing. Should you buy one? Without a doubt, 100% yes. Do not second guess it. If you do have tall ceilings, get the extra extension kit that comes with it. I actually ended up using every link on this to get, I believe it was 19 or 20 feet right to my little flapper, where you can hear the flapper thing go up and down. Highly recommend. And I even used this little attachment that it comes with to one, give me insurance that I was actually hitting the flapper, because the metal on metal contact helped. It did get a little loose. That's my fault because I didn't use pliers to tighten it. But I also knocked a huge debris field out of that thing at probably about 15 feet. Knocked a huge clump of lint like that out of there. It was disgusting. So should you buy one? Absolutely buy one. I got mine at big box stores. This looks like it's a Lowe's specific piece, but if I can find it on Amazon, I'll throw an affiliate link down below where you can grab one. But holy cow, this thing is awesome. A couple of little things to think about when you're doing it. You could see the way I was doing it. I was holding the the little cleaning wand with one hand, my right hand, and then I was operating the drill with my left. And sometimes if you try to go too fast and you got a lot of debris in your line like mine had, it'll want to bind up and twist up at the drill. So just simply reverse your drill and bump it out till it gets unbound up, and then kind of go slower as you go. And you do have to work it all the way up that line. So just take your time. It took me, I mean, the video's edited down, but I would say 10 minutes max. I mean, it took longer to get the thing out of the package and talk about it. So highly recommend it. You can put it all back in the box and keep it around for next year. I'm definitely going to do mine every year. And no, I was not paid anything by this company Lint Eater to say this. I really just wanted to see if this thing was worth using, because I was about to hire a company that quoted me $325 to do that. So it's 29 bucks, 30 bucks, do it yourself and potentially save your house from burning down or burning up your dryer.